Hello, how are you doing today? I hope you're good. I'm also doing okay. So today I'm going to be making truffle and I'm going to be using normal ingredients, chocolate and Simsim. So let me show you what I'll use and let's start doing the video right away. So I'll need Simsim. This is Simsim. I have dark compound chocolate. I also have white compound chocolate. And I have sugar because I'll be making the syrup. So let's start by washing the Simsim. There's a lot of it on top, but you're supposed to save the top one because that's the one that's not good. It's a lot, but there's a lot. I don't think all this is bad. So let me get a sieve. I'll be back shortly. So I'm back with my sieve. It's a lot. Do you think all this is bad? Don't think so. I think it's all good. It's a lot to go through. This is what I have left. This is a lot to go through. Let's put it back. This is the Simsim. I'll leave it to dry. Let's leave it to dry when in here. So now let's make the sugar syrup. And now it's time to get the Simsim ready. Simsim is now ready. Let it cool a bit. So I left the syrup to cool down, but it became very stuck up together because it took long to make the Simsim. So now I'm waiting for it to cool down again so that it can continue. And now it's time to add the Simsim into the syrup. Then mix it up together. So that's the mixed up Simsim. So now let's get to making the balls. So far, the result I have. I'll be back once I'm done with all of them. So I'm done with making the Simsim, the rolls. So now let's get to covering them up with chocolate. So we start with the dark one. Let's wash this, and then I make white chocolate. So once the water is hot, I'm going to put the white chocolate here and the dark chocolate here. It was a hard task to melt the chocolate since it was my first time doing so, but I finally made it.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I eventually got tired of waiting for it to melt, so I decided to just use the normal way to have it melt. But I don't think it's the best idea. We should have just waited. But so far, this is the result. So I'll just cover the Simsim, some of it with the white chocolate, and then the rest the dark chocolate. So let's get to that right away. So I have my first Simsim covered in white chocolate, and then I will remove it and put it here. So this is the dark chocolate, this is the white chocolate. So let me finish up with the dark chocolate now. I think it's now fully melted. I made a mistake of trying to rush and it ended up failing real bad. So always have enough time to make sure it melts well. Hello. So the results were not as awesome as I really wanted them to be, but I'm done. So I'll have to try again another day. But that's it for today. See you soon on another video. Bye bye.